Hi everyone, my name is Helen and today I'm going to be showing you how to submit your project to the Coolest Projects online showcase. It's really easy to do. What you're going to do first is go to the website. So this is coolestproject.org and then click on the Take Part page. From here, we're going to find our online showcase event and click on Find Out More and enter. What you'll see here are two buttons. So in order to submit your project, you'll need to either log in to a Raspberry Pi account that you have already, or if you don't have one, you can sign up here and create one. I have an account, so I'm going to log in. And that is hello@coolestprojects.org. So once you've logged in, you will then be able to see an enter button, which is what you want. So if you click on enter, this will take you straight through to the entry page. There are two things you can do to enter. One is enter your project as an individual, or if you are a mentor and you're entering a large number of projects, for example, for your class or your code club, then you can create a group code, which will let you create one code that all of the young people in your group can use to enter their projects. I'll show you exactly how to do that in a separate video. But for now, I'm going to enter a project as an individual. One thing to note here is you need to be 13 or over in order to enter your own project. If you're under 13, an adult can enter your project for you. If you're over 13, an adult can enter your project for you too, but you can also enter your own project. So what we want to do is enter a project right here. And then this is where you would put in your group code if you're part of a group, but no, I don't have a group code. So I'm going to continue here. So it's a really short form to enter your project. So what I'm going to do is just put down the name of my project. I'm going to call it My Coolest Project. And you pick a category. So we've got 1 of 7 categories here. If you are entering any category apart from Scratch, so web, for example, then what we need you to do is share a link to a short video of your project. That video should be uploaded on YouTube or Vimeo, and please make sure that it's publicly viewable so we can see it. And there's 2 guides here to help you do that. But today I'm going to enter a Scratch project, which is slightly different, and all you need to do is share the link to your project. So I'm going to share the link to my Scratch project. Here's one of the amazing projects from last year's gallery. And then we want to know a little bit about your project. This is what our judges read when they are shortlisting your project and giving you some feedback. And it's public in the online showcase. So it's worth telling us all about your project. So I'm going to say my project is about. We love to know what's inspired your projects. So it was inspired by, and we know that coding and making of every kind always comes with tricky, difficult bits, and we want to know about them as well. What was difficult and what did you overcome? So I'm going to say it was tricky. There we go. So you put a description of your project in here, and then just let us know who made the project. So I'm Helen. You can be 18 or under to enter. I'm over 18, but for now I'm going to say 18. And then you put your gender in here. And then we ask you if you've entered Coolest projects before. That could be online or in person. I have, so I'm going to say yes. You have the option of entering teams of up to 5 people. So if it's more than one of you, you just add another team member here and put in their details. It's only me, so I'm not going to do that. And then you're just looking for your country, and I am based in our Cambridge office. So I'm going to tick all of these options and pick United Kingdom. There's an important part down at the bottom here about how we use your project data, which you should read. And also, as well as understanding how we use the data, please make sure that everybody involved in your project knows how their data is going to be used and how we will share it, and confirm that here. And that's it. That's the registration form. Once you've finished it in and you want to enter your project, you've got 2 options. One is that you can save your project for later if you want to go back to it. But the other one is that you can register now. Once you've clicked that button, you can't change your project. So please do make sure that you're ready to go. So I'm ready to enter my project. I'll click registered. There we go. So that is how easy it is to enter your project to Coolest Projects Online Showcase. What happens next is that our team will review each and every one of your projects, mainly to check that it's working, that it's in the right category. We get so many projects that might take us a couple of days, so please bear with us. And then once your project is reviewed and accepted, it will be available in the online gallery, which will open from the 19th of February onwards. We can accept your project before that, so please do enter your projects now, but the gallery will be open from the 19th and you'll receive an email confirming that your project is live in the gallery. And our VIP judges and our team here will have a look at everyone's project and pick their favorite. Once that's done, you can view your project, see what it's going to look like in the gallery. So here's everything I put into my project. Or you can click this button if you want to enter another project. And it really is as easy as that. We cannot wait to see what you have made for the Coolest Projects Online Showcase this year. Thanks very much.